सोचो दोस्तों, अगर मार्केट में शेयर रॉकेट होने से पहले पकड़ लिया जाए तो प्रॉफिट्स कैन लिटरली एक्सप्लोड। आज का एपिसोड लॉन्ग डिटेल और टेक्नो फंडामेंटल्स का फुल ब्रेकडाउन लाया है। 3 ब्रेकडाउन स्टॉक्स लेके फुली डिकोडेड, टेक्निकल्स प्लस फंडामेंटल्स। एक भी डेटा होल्ड नहीं करेंगे। प्रिपेयर फॉर डीप एनालिसिस। लेट्स डिकोड स्वराज इंजिन्स, नेस्को लिमिटेड एंड टीवीएस होल्डिंग्स इन फुल ग्लोरी। हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट और दोस्त, एक नॉर्मल सा सीधा सा बहुत ही आम ट्रेडर, लेकिन आम विद लॉट ऑफ रिटेल ट्रेडिंग एक्सपीरियंस एंड अ हैवी किटी ऑफ डेटा ऑफ ब्रेकआउट स्टॉक्स। आप मुझे सुन रहे ट्रेड इन्वेस्टर पर, जहाँ हम बातें करते हैं बिल्कुल बेसिक्स टू ब्रिलियंस की। वी आर बैक विद फ्रेश एपिसोड ऑफ बल्कि बुलिश ब्रेकआउट, जहाँ हम लाते हैं आपके लिए डिटेल फंडामेंटल और टेक्निकल एनालिसिस ऑफ दो स्टॉक्स विच आर शोइंग साइंस ऑफ रैली। आज का पहला स्टॉक स्वराज इंजिन्स लिमिटेड। बिजनेस एंड सेक्टर ओवरव्यू की बात करें तो लीडिंग डीजल इंजन मैन्युफैक्चरर, की सप्लाई टू महिंद्रा ग्रुप्स एग्री मशीनरी आर्म, strong play in rural mechanization and tractor OEM segments. High entry barrier engine technology, long-standing OEM tie-ups, and strong distribution in agricultural sector. Consistently top rated for quality, cost controls, and process efficiency. बात करें टेक्निकल एनालिसिस की, आफ्टर 5 months in a tight rectangle of 3800 to 4300, massive volume around 550k plus, confirmed a powerful breakout, classic range breakout impulse. All key EMAs 20, 50, 100, 200 forming bullish ladder, wide separation, no crossover risk, pure uptrend. Similar post-consolidation breakouts in June and end 2024 led to sustained rallies, and pattern was high reliability high. Resistance taken out at 4250, fresh support zone at that level, next resistance near recent high around 4690. Breakout volume was greater than 2x average, sharp institutional interest. Watch for retest at 4250, 4300 as best pullback entry. Aggressive buyers can ride momentum. Conservative buyers wait for volume confirmation on dips. Volatility annual low, monthly high, suggesting moves are trending, not choppy. Coming on to fundamental analysis, market cap stands at 5638 CR, healthy mid cap niche industry. Current price trading at 4642, stock P is 36.2, premium versus broader market but justified. Book value slightly higher as compared to the rational levels. Dividend yield at 2.24, attractive for a mid-cap growth. ROC at 56.2, elite operational efficiency. ROE at 41.9, industry-leading returns. Industry P at 46.1, valued below sector average. And price to book value, high premium, signals trust in growth. As per PEG ratio at 1.73, not cheap but solid, justified versus growth. Almost debt-free, zero leverage risk. Good anchor as promoter holding stands at 52%. No pledging, confidence evident. FIDI holding 3.47 and 9.89%. Decent room for more FI inflow. Sales growth stands at 5-year at 16.8%. High, dependable, and compounding. Annual profit after tax stands at 165 CR, consistently rising, and cash flow from operations at 177 CR, profits translating to real cash. Despite a high P, the PEG ratio is less than 2, shows market is paying for growth, not overpaying, and profitability with 56% ROC and 42% ROE. Every rupee 100 of capital is producing 56 rupees operating profit and 42 for shareholders, a rare stature in manufacturing. Dividends at 2.25% with no debt. Payouts are sustainable. And promoter skin in the game at 52%, stable, no pledging, long-term alignment with the shareholders' interest. FIDI trend less than 10% and DI less than 4%. FI leaves room for future institutional re-rating. Nesco Limited. Core segments: commercial real estate, IT parks, event infra, hospitality. USP is annuity-like income from rentals, cyclical upside from exhibitions or events. Growth levers: new property launches, rising commercial demands in India's financial hub. Coming on to technical analysis, breakout structure, multi-month consolidation about 1218 to 1220, explosive volume with 799,000 shares when breakout hit. Multi-year high retested, broke past 1081, retested like textbook, then up again, veteran price action. Moving averages of 20, 50, 100, 200 forming a powerful up stair ladder pattern. 20 EMA greater than 200 EMA, heavy trend. Support and resistance, key support at 1220, next resistance zone is psychological 1350 to 1400. Volume, big jump on breakout, clean follow through, sign of smart money buying, not just a retail rush. Trade plan, retest to 1220 or 1230 is an ideal entry for new positions. Breakout follow through can target 1350 to 1400 short term. Market cap sizable for commercial asset play, current price all time high leak and confirms demand. P ratio at 32.6, premium, lower than industry's 46.1. PEG ratio at 1.73, slightly premium but justified. Debt to equity, almost debt free, free cash for growth. Dividend yield at 2.24, attractive for a property player. And ROC at 56.2, outstanding, rare of realty business. ROE at 42%, high margin, efficient capital utilization. Promoter holding at 52%, good holding, zero pledging stability. FI and DI holding at 3.47 and 9.89, diverse base, re-rating potential. 5-year sales growth at 16.8, high even for real estate. Annual PAT 165 CR, profits scale with occupancy or expansion. Cash flows at 177 CR, strong but monitor for operating flows. Coming on to today's last stock, TVS Holdings Limited. Business model, multi-business, auto holding giant, auto components, R&D, joint ventures, allied businesses. Not a single line company, enjoys sectoral and operational flexibility. Brand power, TVS Group legacy, long-standing promoter reputation. Diversification, reduces risk versus pure auto players, but financials can look more complex due to consolidation. Coming on to technical analysis, swing high breakout, cleared crucial resistance at 11,930, closed at 12,177 with large bullish candle. Trend, April onward, V-shaped recovery, all EMAs laddering perfectly upward, confirming bullish structure. Volumes, breakout volume supportive, though not as sharp as in the smaller caps, indicative of institutional, not speculative interest. Support and resistance, near-term support at 1190 to 12,000. If 1250 crosses with volume, 15,137 all-time high inside. Pattern reliability, TVS Holdings past swing high breakouts often result in periods of stepwise uptrend rather than the mania moves, ideal for patient investors. Cap stands at 24,000 CR, large cap league, diversified exposure, current price at near multi-year highs, strong momentum. Price to equity ratio at 21.4, cheaper than industry's 27.8 relative value. ROC stands at 15.3 average but rising post restructure. ROE at 30%, very strong, focus on shareholder value. PEG ratio at 0.8, undervalued versus expected growth. Debt to equity at 6.93%, high leverage, risk flag. Promoter holding at 74.4%, strong but 14.4% pledged, monitor closely. FIDI holdings 2.69%, 10.3%, institutional participation rising. 5-year sales growth at 17.8%, high durable compounding. Profit after tax at 1150 CR, large, scaling profits versus joint ventures. Cash flow from operations 35 CR, huge. Operating engine is strong. Coming on to valuation, price to equity below industry but PEG lesser than 1, making it amongst the most attractive in terms of growth adjusted value. Debt, main risk. Debt to equity at 6.93, among the highest in industry, requires stable cash flows to service. ROC and ROE 15.3% and 30.6%. Split shows efficiency. If debt reduces, these can improve further. Promoter pledge at 14.4% should not rise further. Watch for signs of promoter deleveraging. Sales and PAT greater than 17% CAGR over 5 years and 1150 crore profit after tax and 3,500 crore cash flow from operations, all strong. Dividend policy, not high payout but signifies retention for further expansion or joint venture investments. Conclusion, chart and financial aligns for a slow burning but high conviction breakout move. If debt and pledge concerns ease, re-rating could be powerful. तो दोस्तों ये था आज का डीप डाइव एपिसोड, हर ब्रेकआउट को फुली डेटा के साथ डाइसेक्ट किया. स्वराज इंजन्स, बुलेट ट्रेन कंसोलिडेशन से ब्रेकआउट, जीरो डेप्ट, कैपिटल एफिशिएंसी टॉप क्लास. नेस्को मल्टी-ईयर चार्ट बैंकर, रियल एस्टेट कैश फ्लो किंग, अटेंशन ऑन फ्री कैश फ्लो एंड रेंटल साइकिल. टीवीएस होल्डिंग्स कॉम्प्लेक्स बट पावरफुल, बिग लेवरेज बट इवन बिगर कैश फ्लोज, रिस्क भी है रिवॉर्ड भी है. अब आप बोलोगे इन्वेस्टमेंट, ब्रेकआउट, चेज या वेट फॉर पुल बैक, आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है? कमेंट में लिख के बताना भूलना मत. अगर ऐसे एग्जॉस्टिव वीडियो जम के वर्क करता है तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो। टेलीग्राम और इंस्टा पे फॉलो एट ट्रेड इन्वेस्टर 23 फॉर रियल टाइम अपडेट्स। याद रखो, फंडामेंटल से समझो, टेक्निकल से पकड़ो, ब्रेकआउट्स को मिस मत करना। तो दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही। मार्केट में आज के फायरवर्क्स चलते रहेंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो भाई कसम से प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब और लाइक कर देना। दोस्तों हम अपने चैनल पर लाते हैं सिर्फ इन डेप्थ रिसर्च कंटेंट। ये हमारी पक्की उम्मीद है कि एक दिन हम उस मैजिक फिगर 1 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर के माइलस्टोन को ज़रूर छुएंगे। सवाल ये नहीं है कि वो हम हिट कर पाएंगे, नहीं कर तो पाएंगे ही, लेकिन कब कब कर पाएंगे। और इस जर्नी में हमें आपका साथ चाहिए, साथ दे दो प्लीज़। हमें पता है आप साथ दे दोगे, तो अगर साथ दे दोगे तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों और परिवार के साथ भी शेयर करें जिनको फाइनेंशियल दुनिया की ज़रूरत है, कि नॉलेज की ज़रूरत है। यू केयर अबाउट देम बिकॉज यू नो वी डू। तो मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में, तब तक के लिए इन्वेस्ट स्मार्ट, इन्वेस्ट सेफ और हमेशा मस्ती में रहो। जय हिंद, जय भारत।